Today I'll be going over crypto faucets. What are they and how do they work? And also go over some of the best crypto faucets out there right now and where to get free crypto rewards just by participating in their crypto faucets. So, what is a crypto faucet? Well, they're called faucets because the benefits are a little like the dribble of water from a damaged faucet. And when you use a crypto faucet, which is basically a website or app, you'll be paid with a little bit of cryptocurrency in exchange for doing simple tasks. When it comes to Bitcoin faucets, users receive only a small quantity of free or earned cryptocurrency. There are a variety of basic tasks that may be completed in order to receive free cryptocurrency, such as watching video content or doing quizzes, complete CAPTCHA tests, and clicking links. But crypto faucets aren't a quick way to make money. The price is lower the easier the assignment is. And when a job is completed, the reward is transferred into the site's online wallet, which has a minimum payout. The prize may be withdrawn only after the user has met the minimum requirement. The greatest crypto faucets may be able to do this in a day or two, but it's more likely to take a week or more. A cryptocurrency faucet is simple to use. Visiting a crypto faucet, clicking on an ad, or playing a game is all you have to do to earn Bitcoin. The crypto isn't transmitted immediately to your account. Instead, it's stored in a virtual wallet on the website. You won't get any cryptocurrencies until the capacity of this mini wallet is filled. Whenever this happens, all of your cryptocurrency is instantly moved to your actual cryptocurrency wallet. Let's use Bitcoin as an actual example to show how all this works. There are many types of cryptocurrency faucets, but the most common is a Bitcoin faucet. Smaller amounts of Bitcoin, known as Satoshis, can be obtained using a Bitcoin faucet. When you complete the tasks given to you, Satoshis are automatically sent to your mini wallet and, after the limit has been met, to your main wallet. Other cryptocurrencies have their own faucets, such as Ethereum, Bitcoin Cash, and so on. Well, what does the owner of a crypto faucet earn by operating a crypto faucet on the internet? You may be wondering. They make money in two ways. One, by mining Bitcoin on your computer while you complete the work, and two, by placing advertisements on its website and requiring you to watch them. Since operating a crypto faucet is currently a lucrative business, these are the two main sources of revenue for the owner. Okay, so now, Bitcoin faucets. Gavin Anderson, a senior Bitcoin developer, introduced the concept of Bitcoin faucets in 2010 to reward users for basic actions with 5 Bitcoins. The goal was to raise public awareness of Bitcoin, which was still a relatively new idea. Because there were no exchanges in the early days of cryptos, it was almost impossible to purchase Bitcoin, because there were no exchanges to buy it from. But it was a terrific way of getting people involved with Bitcoin and increasing its adoption without putting any wealth at risk. Bitcoin Alien. It's easy to see why Bitcoin Aliens is one of the most well-known Bitcoin faucets. The Bitcoin Aliens allow you to play games in order to earn Bitcoins. It is possible to optimize your payout through a variety of processes and actions. A mobile version of this faucet is also available for Android and iOS smartphones. Because you only need a smartphone, a Bitcoin wallet, and internet access to carry out your daily rotations, you can do it practically anywhere. Bitcoin Aliens is a faucet that rewards users with up to 4,000 Satoshis in exchange for their help in running the faucet. This quantity of Satoshis is equivalent to about 25 cents, which is rather impressive. Be sure to consider Bitcoin Aliens in your daily rotation if you are seeking for the highest paying Bitcoin faucet. Moon Bitcoin. As one of the most popular Bitcoin faucet sites, Moon Bitcoin offers several amazing incentives to keep you coming back for more and more Satoshis. Moon Bitcoin features a few additional cryptocurrencies, such as Ethereum and Litecoin, that you may claim in addition to Bitcoin. It's a good choice for those who want the best paying Bitcoin faucet but are more interested in other cryptocurrencies. And as a bonus, Moon Bitcoin provides a wide range of benefits, from referral bonuses to time spent on the site bonuses. I think the best part about Moon Bitcoin's faucet is that it pays regular visitors with a percentage-based loyalty incentive for their continued use. Plus, there are mystery presents on the faucet, which give users a random quantity of Satoshis. But in the beginning, Bitcoin was the only coin faucet, but it quickly became the most popular one. Free Bitcoin Cointeply and FAUCET are among the most well-known and largest of the Bitcoin faucets listed on bestfaucetsites.com. Best Ethereum faucets. Instead of Satoshis, users are rewarded with Ether when they complete certain activities on an Ethereum faucet, which functions similarly to a Bitcoin faucet. Free Ethereum tokens may be earned by participating in advertisement and data mining. Ethereum faucets are available and easy to acquire a little amount of Ethereum but lacks the funds to purchase it or purchase mining gear. For solving CAPTCHAs, ethereumfaucet.org gives ETH tokens. Also on bestfaucetsites.com, there are a variety of ways to earn Ethereum, including reCAPTCHA, solve media, games, mining, and more. And earning Ethereum tokens with FAUCET is as simple as completing CAPTCHAs and browser mining. But allcoins.pw and Dutchie Corp are cryptocurrency faucets that provide mining and auto-fauceting services, answering CAPTCHAs, and playing online games for free. Best Litecoin faucets. With crypto faucets, you may earn Litecoin for free by doing simple tasks on the website in return for a tiny quantity of LTC tokens. Faucets let users to exchange their time for benefits in the form of Litecoin, or Litoshi. Moon Litecoin and FAUCET give out free Litecoin to its members, gift boxes, and other chores, such as browsing short links and clicking on advertisements, may all be used to earn additional Litecoin. Best Zcash faucet. Zcash faucets reward users with free Zcash for accomplishing simple activities. A ZEC coin may be claimed each day for free by making a profile and solving a CAPTCHA on the Pipeflare faucet. Claim rewards are around 0.0000500 ZEC, and you can withdraw as much or as little as you like. And also every 20 hours, the Global Hive faucet offers free Zcash to anyone who wants it. You can basically get an average claim reward of 0.0003100 ZEC, which you can transfer right away to your digital wallet of choice. Best Monero faucets. Monero faucets are a good place to start for anyone looking to receive free Monero currency. On a Monero faucet, you may earn XMR coins by solving CAPTCHAs and viewing advertisements. In order to get Monero tokens, there are some excellent faucets. Every 60 minutes, you may receive rewards of 0.000005 to 0.025 Monero coins at monerofaucet.info. Every 4 hours, you can get up to 0.000042754 XMR from the Express faucet. You may also win more free Monero by participating in the faucet's lottery. And every 5 minutes, allcoins.pw will give you 0.00001716 Monero in your wallet. Plus, there is no cap on the amount you may withdraw from the faucet here also. So for not having to spend any money, one of the best ways to invest in cryptocurrencies for someone who has never done so before is to sign up for an account with a crypto faucet. If you spend a lot of time enjoying video games and computer games or browsing the internet, why not be paid in cryptocurrency, right? You'll be able to get your fingers on some real crypto with this method without having to pay any money. You may then trade these coins or watch these coins on the markets to see what happens and also learn about the cryptocurrency markets. But the cryptocurrency faucets have the potential to be both helpful and frustrating, depending on how you utilize them. And so in summary, coin faucets are generally driven by the tasks that the user must complete in order to gain crypto rewards. Things like CAPTCHA completion, the act of video viewing followed by the act of ad clicks, participating in online courses via reading, watching, and taking quizzes, and to understand that the amount of crypto that is given to the faucets pool is often set at a certain level by the websites or mobile apps that host crypto faucets. Well, I hope this video helped you and you were able to learn about some ways to not spend money but still earn that crypto. Thanks again, and be sure to like the video if you please. And also hit that subscribe button and bell notification to see more ways to make that crypto cash.